Morning. I just wanted to share another snack hack with you. Today we have what I would call provolone pizza crisp. Real simple. You can do two alternatives to this. You could use Parmesan natural cheese, which is shredded, I believe, so you want to get the good flakes in there. You can put that in the oven in a 6-inch circle and pat it down and turn it on 350 to cook. Or you could use provolone. So today we're going to be using provolone. I've got a sheet of parchment on a plate. Take one provolone circle and put it on the plate. You're not going to add any ragu for the microwave or oven just yet, but you can use it at the end. The ragu has, for 1/4 of a cup of serving, 5 grams of carbs. So if you're going to dip in it, I think you'd be fine unless your carbs are high for the day. But anyway, we're going to take the provolone. You could add a couple of variations of this. I'm going to put pepperoni on it. This is a good quick snack that the kids can eat when we're in a hurry. Just a few slices. You can put 3 or 4, as many as you like. And then we're going to put that in the microwave for about a minute. So while it's cooking, you're going to hear lots of popping. I'm going to start with a minute and then just keep an eye. But I also have put one in the oven. You could do either version. Sometimes I'm a little bit weird about the microwave, so I might turn the oven on broil. That's what I use for a couple minutes. And then you're going to want to pat the grease off. And then you have this little handy dandy pizza crisp. Look how delicious. So then you can dip it in your sauce. Let me check this real quick. You want to keep cooking until the cheese is browned in the microwave. So I'm going to turn that back on. Just want to make sure I'm not burning it up. Again, it only takes about a minute. And I would add 20-second increments if the cheese is not browned enough. Hear all that popping. Yummy stuff. I'm going to give it another 20 seconds or so. Again, you could add toppings on this if you wish. I had a little sausage sitting around that I made for breakfast this morning, so I might crumble a piece or two on there. Wrap it up like a little tortilla. And then dip it in my pizza sauce. It looks like it's about done. Another few seconds. Again, who wouldn't want a lunch you can cook in 2 or 3 minutes? I'll take it any day of the week. So it's going to look kind of a melted mess when you get it out. Looks a little different in the microwave. I might have actually gotten it too done. But you get the drift. So you want it to be crispy enough to be able to pick up. So that's the difference. The oven, microwave. Again, I prefer the oven on broil for just a minute or two. It doesn't take long at all. Then we have a fresh provolone crisp for lunch. Hope you guys enjoyed this little recipe today. Thanks for watching.